Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Let's begin. We have here one green bell pepper and we're just going to chop it up real quick. Remove the seeds from the inside. Let's chop it up. Okay, we chopped it all up. We're going to put it into a cup. We have here about 1 cup of chopped up green pepper. Next, we'll need half of a yellow onion. Remove the outer skin. We're going to chop it up. I'm going to chop it into smaller bits. Looking good. And that's close to 3/4 cup of chopped up yellow onion. And let's start cooking. We have here some ground beef. It's around 1.3 pounds. You can use ground beef or thinly sliced ribeye steak. First thing what we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of butter. Then we're going to add the ground beef. Break apart the ground beef. Try to brown up the ground beef. Okay, we browned up the ground beef. We're going to put it to the side. There you go. We're going to remove some of the extra liquid. There we go. We're just going to keep a little bit of the remaining liquid. We're going to put in the white onions, chopped up white onions. Brown up the white onions. Next, we'll put in the chopped up green pepper. Okay, we browned it up nicely. We're going to put back in the ground beef. Stir it up. We're going to sprinkle some salt. Some garlic powder. And some ground black pepper. And stir everything all up. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to remove it. We have here some egg roll wraps and some provolone cheese. Let's open it up. We'll also need 1 egg. Beat it up real quick. Looking good. We're going to put that to the side. Right there. We're going to take some of the filling and put it in the center. Just like that. We'll need some provolone cheese. We're going to break it in half. And we'll use the other part later. We're going to fold it up. Apply some of the egg wash. And fold it up. And apply a little bit more egg wash. Just like that. Okay, last one. For this video, we'll be making only the first batch, a batch of 8. And first thing we'll need to do is take some of the filling and put it in the center. Take a half a slice of provolone cheese. Fold in the corners so that it fits better. Place it on top. Fold it up. Fold up the other side. And the other side. And it should look something like an envelope. Take some of the egg wash and apply it to the center and part of the envelope. We're going to fold it up. And we have something like this. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the egg rolls. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 4 minutes so far at 380 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. There we go. We flipped them all over. Space them out again. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. For the dipping sauce, we'll be using some Cheese Whiz. Already microwave some right here. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's open up one real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.